Bennie Master's lecture, 10 Good Deeds and Vows, Awakening the Spirit's Path to Enlightenment. Dear friends, hello everyone. Today, we're exploring the nature of the Spirit, how to stop delusions with the 10 good deeds, and how to speed up practice with vows. This is the heart of cultivation. We'll draw from the Buddha's final teaching sutra, 10 Good Deeds Sutra, Avatamsaka Sutra, and Upsaka Precept Sutra, breaking it down in plain language to guide us from delusion to enlightenment. The nature of spirit, pure and steady, never confused. What is the spirit? It's the awareness behind eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and body, never polluted, covered, or blocked by sights, sounds, smells, tastes, or touch. This ensures you clearly know whatever comes up. If it could be obscured, perception would fail, proving the spirit is inherently pure, beyond birth and death. In essence, it's eternally steady, never chaotic. Just stay with the spirit, break the delusions, and when the momentum fades, look back. Your extraordinary abilities are right there. Realize this. You don't need to chase anything. When you perceive, that's the spirit. At every moment, beings face their circumstances with seeing, hearing, and knowing. That's the spirit's innate power. Stopping delusions with 10 good deeds. Taming the 6 faculties. How do you stop delusions? The 10 Good Deeds Sutra says the fruit of the 10 good deeds is tamed faculties, free from restlessness. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, and mind follow your lead, staying calm. But most people's faculties rebel. Trying to sit still, you get backaches and numb legs, breaking your focus. Stick to the 10 good deeds daily. It's like growing a tree, not a quick fix. Rushing it wrecks your path. The Buddha's final teaching sutra says, anchor your mind in one place, and nothing's undoable. Sitting still relies on the 10 good deeds to keep the 6 faculties obedient, ensuring focus without distraction. Speeding up with vows, planting seeds of cause and effect. Want faster results? Understand karma's principles and harness vows. The Upsaka Precept Sutra says, sins come in 2 types, bad precepts and no precepts. With bad precepts, killing 1 sheep or not, you're always guilty, because you swore to it. Without precepts, kill 1,000, you're only guilty when you act, because no vow was made. What's this mean? Vows set things in motion, sworn or not. Karma runs on its own. That's why Buddhism stresses vows and dedications. Master cause and effect, and it's like AI automation. Know the formula, set your goal with a vow, and it generates waves that collapse into your desired outcome. How? Set precise vows with wisdom and dharma, filling your gaps. Take the 5 faculties and powers, must-haves for every stage. Without them, you won't succeed. Know your aim, vow to plant the seed, and it grows automatically. Faith and conditions, the path to fulfillment. The Avatamsaka Sutra says, a bodhisattva who vows for enlightenment should honor and support, drawing near wise teachers. Why? To swiftly awaken all-knowing wisdom. Reverent offerings to Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha spark joyful faith for quick success. Want the Buddha's qualities? Offer to the Buddha. Want easy mastery? Offer to the Dharma. Give what you can. The 10 Good Deeds Sutra adds, like seeds sown in soil, growth comes with the right conditions. Faith arises from the Buddha's power through connection. Faith and devotion mean total trust, embracing it as supreme, You let go of shackles and practice freely. It's all about building that connection. Once it's there, results follow. Conclusion: 10 good deeds and vows awaken the spirit. Dear friends, the spirit is pure and steady, perceiving all. The 10 good deeds tame the 6 faculties, breaking delusions. Master cause and effect with vows, planting seeds for swift growth. With faith and conditions, success unfolds. May we uphold the 10 good deeds, make great vows, awaken the spirit, and walk the path to Buddhahood. Thank you all.